Hey everyone, welcome back from our strangely timed spring break. I hope you all found it somewhat relaxing. I'm going to be going through what's going on in week 5 right now. So I'm going to pull up the week 5 overview. This week is a little different in our schedule, first of all. You see here in red that instead of having our work due on Tuesday and Thursday this week, it is officially due on Tuesday and Wednesday. The reason for that is that the university has asked us not to assign work on the 18th because of the dorm move-in day. I'm not sure how many of you that affects, but if you are moving in that day, then you'll want to turn your work in on Wednesday, so that you don't run into any problems on Thursday. However, if this does not affect you, if you are staying where you are and not moving, I do not have a problem if you turn the work in by Thursday at 5 as usual. And I'm going to be putting that in our announcement as well. So it's officially due by 5 p.m. on Wednesday, but I will not mark it late if you turn it in by 5 p.m. on Thursday if you would like. Okay, so but if you need that day for move-in, turn it in on Wednesday. All right. So this week we're going to be finishing up digital minimalism, and we're shifting to the semester-long project, the extended inquiry project. So this is based on a topic that you were curious about from digital minimalism. So your topic has to come out of any of the reading that you have done in that book or anything that you talked about in your online parlors. So you'll be discussing the final parts of digital minimalism in your homework for Tuesday. And we have whoever is signed up for the synthesis, the third one, you'll be doing that. And then you'll be doing the talk back. Everybody will do the talk back for the next day. So you'll see down here that you have a writing team mini parlor. So you've been put into just random groups in your section. So when you pull that up, you'll be able to see what team you are on. And what you're doing in these three activities, the curiosity and inquiry-based research activity, the reader's guide overview, and this reading from Bad Ideas About Writing, all of that leads into what you will discuss for the writing team mini parlor. Okay, so I want to pull up, just jump ahead to this reader's guide overview. So this is your main project that you're going to be doing in place of the typical research paper. Okay, so I want you to read over this and try to just take in the big picture of the assignment. So it's not due until the end of the semester, and we work on it in small bits throughout the rest of the semester. So I just want you to know what you're working towards and how it's different from the typical research paper, okay? So that's just to have in the back of your mind as what you are working towards, all right? So with this reading that you're doing, research begins with a thesis statement. I want to call attention to the title of this piece because there was some confusion in the last readings from the book Bad Ideas About Writing. All of the titles of the articles in this book are bad ideas about writing. Okay, so the author does not think that research starts with a thesis statement. Their purpose in writing this article is to prove that research actually does not start with a thesis statement or should not start with a thesis statement. So keep that in mind as you're reading it, that all the titles in this book are meant to, are considered bad ideas about writing that the author is trying to take apart and disprove, okay? All right, also, you have a studio due this coming Sunday on citation styles. So with this studio, you're going to be looking at different kinds of citation styles, and then you will choose a citation style that that you will use for the rest of the semester for your reader's guide, your extended inquiry project. So this will help you in choosing that, okay? So again, let me know if you have any questions, and I hope you all have a great week.